like hot metal, sparks, and using thousands of amps of pure electrical energy, welding may be your calling. Welding is a high-powered fabrication process used for joining various materials such as metal, glass, or plastics. Welding is commonplace in many manufacturing companies and is often an essential aspect of the manufacturing process. Welding 21st century materials requires highly skilled workers who have a keen eye for precision as well as a knack for safety. Many companies that use welding for routine, repeated welds are adding robotic welding as a means to increase efficiency, precision, and accuracy, as well as enhance production and plant safety.